Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today I have another Farfetch unboxing to share with you guys today. It has been a minute since I've shopped on Farfetch, so I'm super excited to show you what I decided to pick up. This was a little bit of an impulse purchase, I will admit. So I'm excited to get into this and see if this item will work out for me. So if you want to check out what I picked up from Farfetch, definitely keep watching. For those of you who might be new, thanks so much for checking this out. I'm a full-time working mom, but in my spare time, I love making these videos on fashion, beauty, mommy lifestyle, a little bit of luxury, and reselling as well. So if those kind of things sound at all interesting, definitely check out my other videos linked below, and please also consider hitting that subscribe button. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching another video. Alright guys, so let's just get into this. You know I love shopping at Farfetch, and I will say this video is in no way sponsored by Farfetch at all. I am just a loyal Farfetch shopper, and I purchased this item on my own as I do everything on Farfetch. I do have a referral code though, so if you want to check out Farfetch for yourself, you can definitely check out the referral link in the description box down below. Because on Farfetch, there are always deals you can get here and there, a lot of referral codes floating around there. So in general, I never pay full retail when I shop on Farfetch, which is what I absolutely love about that site. So Farfetch is able to get great deals on luxury items because I believe that they contract with multiple different retailers out there, so they can get really great price points and often offer pretty great discounts too. So definitely check out that referral link in the description box in case you're interested. But let's just get on into this unboxing. So if you watch my channel, you do know that I like to shop at Farfetch. I've done so quite a bit before. So I haven't shopped at Farfetch for quite a bit, and there's no real reason for that besides the fact that, you know, it was the holidays. I did a lot of shopping at other retailers. I made several pretty awesome luxury purchases from Louis Vuitton and Hermes recently, and I've been kind of focusing on those fashion houses. So, you know, I didn't really find a need to go look at Farfetch for anything. The dangerous thing though is I started kind of looking around recently, just browsing, and that's what gets me, the browsing. So I will say that I do have my eye out for those Marc Jacobs tote bags. I, believe it or not, do not own one yet, and it's been really growing on me. So I first started checking out that particular tote, both at other department stores and also on Farfetch. So they do have those totes on Farfetch. So that's really what got me looking on the site. Needless to say, I decided not to go for the tote yet for various reasons, which I will get into later. But I came across this bag and I said, well, I gotta have this bag. So that's the danger of just kind of shopping around and looking for things. Sometimes you make impulse buys. So that is one of the impulse buys here that I want to share with you guys. But I think it's one that I'm really gonna love. Alright, so it comes in just this plain brown box. And let's see what it looks like. Just gonna go ahead and open this up. This is a real true unboxing. I have not opened this yet. I have not ever seen this bag in person. I wanted to share it with you guys as a first impression. So let's see if that did the trick. Alright, so you will see probably from my description box and title of this video that this item is from Saint Laurent. And here's how it came packaged. This is totally gorgeous. This, in fact, came better packaged than my other Saint Laurent purchases from Farfetch, I will say. So I am impressed. So again, because Farfetch deals with many different retailers internationally, I think the packaging, I would assume, largely depends on the retailer you happen to work with. And that's really unknown when you purchase. So this retailer was amazing. I believe this came from the United States on the East Coast. But yeah, awesome packaging. It came in the box as well. My previous Saint Laurent purchases from Farfetch never came in the original box, I'll say. So I am super pleased. So that's amazing. All right, let me remove all the rest of the packaging here. So here it is. Super pleased. I love the aesthetic of the Saint Laurent packaging. It's just gorgeous. So let me go ahead and bust into this. And it comes beautifully wrapped, just as if you purchased it directly from the boutique. So I love this. So here's the item in the original dust bag as well, which is super nice. So the packaging, you know, A+ for this purchase, I will say. But here it is. Any guesses? Comment below what you think this is. This is not a newly released item. It's one that I've seen for a bit and just never really thought about until I happened to come across it as I was searching for other things on Farfetch. So those are your clues. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and reveal to you guys what I decided to pick up. And again, I have not seen this before, so I'm super excited to share with you my newest YSL belt bag in the beautiful leather version with the gold tone hardware. So this is absolutely beautiful on first impressions. I will show you some pictures up close and do some mod shots for you in a second. Let me just quickly check this bag out. And the zipper is super smooth, of course. I'm going to take out the packing so I can share with you guys the inside as well. So in one of the pockets here, it does come with the authenticity booklet here as well, in case you're curious. So it came with the whole set. Even though I was able to score a little bit of a discount on Farfetch, it comes with everything as if you purchased it in the boutique directly. So this is the YSL belt bag. No doubt you've probably seen this before. Again, it is not a new item, but one that I definitely had seen and just hadn't thought much about. But I don't know, when I came across it again, I thought this would really work out for me. So I believe this belt bag comes in other versions as well. I did see a smooth leather black version with the silver tone hardware, and I saw that on the Neiman Marcus website. And honestly, that's the first site that I saw this bag on when I was kind of searching around for the Marc Jacobs tote. And then when I looked in Farfetch, I saw they had one left, no joke, one left of this version, which is the pebbled leather in black with the gold tone hardware. So as you all probably know, in general, I do gravitate more toward gold tone metals, especially with my jewelry, as you can see. So this was perfect for me. Plus, I do like the fact that this is the pebbled leather because it's less prone to showing scratches compared to the smooth leather. I'm not opposed to smooth leather. I'm also not opposed to silver tone hardware. As you all probably know, I have bags in both of those features or options. But, you know, this combination I think is my absolute favorite. So when I saw one was left, I kind of jumped on it. And that's what really gets me is they'll put, you know, hurry, only one left on the description of the item. And then I just splurge because I say, well, there's one left. I'm going to regret it if I don't get it. So it totally gets me. So really good marketing out there, Farfetch. If you're continuing to do that, I will probably continue to purchase these bags because that panic factor, you know, honestly kind of set in. So as you probably know, I've had my eye on the Louis Vuitton bum bag for quite some time. I actually didn't end up purchasing the original version or the Empreinte version, and I kind of regret it. I haven't been able to find it anywhere. Obviously, they're discontinued now. There are always rumors that it's going to come back, so I'm really excited to see when and if that does and what improvements they make. But in the meantime, I have really been enjoying my Lululemon belt bags, and I did a quick review and impression of that piece as well in a previous video, which I will link below. Definitely check it out in case you're curious about that belt bag. I have been living in that. It's super casual and I really love that. I've taken it everywhere with my kids and when I'm out on the weekends. So because I absolutely love all of my Lululemon belt bags, and when I say all, I mean all, because I now have collected a ton of them since I made that first video. I have so many of them in so many different fabrications, colors, and styles that I will definitely be doing an updated Lululemon belt bag collection shortly in case you're curious about all the different ones I have collected. Needless to say, I love that style, but I wanted something a little bit more elevated. A belt bag that is in all leather, for instance, that I could take with me, you know, out shopping, a little bit nicer restaurants for lunch or dinner that would work, and one that is a little less casual. They do make this version as well in a canvas version with leather trim, I believe, and other different styles from YSL too, but I really wanted the leather version for that reason. So I think this works really well. I also really do like the more slim profile of this belt bag because a Louis Vuitton one, as you guys have probably seen, is pretty bulky. So I have tried that bag before and it's pretty bulky. When you wear it across your chest, it sticks out quite a bit. So I don't know if I really would like that bulkiness of it. So I think the slimmer version for me may work better as well. So for all these reasons, I think this is a great option if you're looking for a little bit more of an elevated designer belt bag look. And this is honestly a lot less expensive, as you all probably know, than the Louis Vuitton leather version too. So yeah, great alternative. So I'm excited to see if this works out for me. I'm going to show you guys some details up close, and then I will show you a few mod shots as well. Alright, so here's a beautiful belt bag up close. This is a black grained leather, as you probably can see, and it has a beautiful aged gold tone hardware. And on the zipper pull, there is still the sticker, which I will remove, but the zipper glides very smoothly, as you would expect from this brand. On the back, the one thing that I don't love so much about this compared to the Louis Vuitton one is there is no back pocket. I would love a back pocket. That is major, game changer for me for most bags, but honestly, this does not have one, in case you're curious about that. They have these leather panels on the side and then the belt here. So one of the amazing things about this is look at how many adjustable sights there are, or holes, on this belt. I mean, this can be so versatile because you can use it in the very smallest hole to the very, very largest hole. So this is absolutely amazing. So I really, really love how versatile this is going to be for me. And there are 2 extra loops of leather here to hold the excess strap, which I also love as well, so the strap doesn't dangle when you're wearing it. And then just going on to the inside, it's a pretty simple design. The zipper is very smooth, and on the inside it does have the Saint Laurent branding right there. And as you can see, there's one interior pocket on the back wall, and on the front wall there are actually credit card slots, which is amazing. So you don't even have to carry a card holder. You can put some of your cards in the slot here to save some room in your bag. And then there is just the big open hole in the middle with the fabric or textile lining. Alright, so I want to quickly show you guys some mod shots on how I intend to wear this bag. For reference again, I'm about 5'4" in height, in case you're curious. I am definitely not skinny either. Right now, I usually am about a size 6 to 8 in terms of pant size, in case you're curious. That's my body frame. So this bag I am going to leave on the longest setting, or the last hole as it came, because I want to wear this mostly as a crossbody, the typical kind of recent, newer way to wear these belt bags, of course crossbody across your chest. So this is how it looks like on me. It's super comfortable, and I love the slim profile. As you can see, it really does mold to your body really nicely, and it's not so bulky. So I really, really love that about this bag so far. You could sling it down to the side like this, but I probably will just wear it like this and throw it over. I think this works best on the last setting like I have here. That's how I like it adjusted when I wear it crossbody. So yeah, I think this is gonna be amazing. I'm so excited to take it out this week as my bag of the week. So really, really loving this look. You can of course sling it more on the back as kind of a backpack. I don't think I'm gonna really do this much. I think it's a little more awkward. And of course I do worry some about security if I do it this way. So I'm probably not going to sling it on the back like that. I'm probably just going to wear it in the front, honestly, like this most days. But you can also do a little bit of a shoulder bag. You can just carry it like this in front, or you can carry it with a shoulder bag slung on your back. And I often do this with my belt bags when I'm grabbing kids quickly or trying to get out of the car quickly. You can just sling it over your shoulder, and I think that's a good look too. And then of course the final way you can wear it is as a traditional belt bag. So I'm going to try to see if I can do that. And I haven't really been wearing any of my belt bags like a belt, but I may have to because this one has so many options that it's very adjustable, and I will be able to wear it comfortably, I think. And I love how there's an extra little leather loop so it holds the excess. But this is how it looks like, either front view or on the side, as a traditional belt bag. And this is totally hands-free, nothing on your chest. This is really a nice look as well, I think. If you want this option, I think it's great for travel, so versatile. I think because it's leather, it elevates it as well, which is really nice. So yeah, these are all the ways that I would consider wearing this bag. I think there are many more ways you can think about it if you're creative, because you have all those options on the strap. But this is amazing. It's super easy to get into and really, really versatile. So far I'm really impressed with this belt bag. I definitely think that for the price point, it's an excellent option. It's definitely more elevated because it's leather. It's hard wearing because it's the pebbled leather. And it's super functional and also adjustable. So you can use this in so many different ways. That'll be very, very versatile, as you just saw in the mod shots. But probably the thing I love most is how streamlined this is, like I keep talking about. So trust me, I have tried on my fair share of designer belt bags because I love the style so much. But what often gets me is that they are so bulky, such that when you're wearing them on your chest, it's as if you're almost carrying another child. And I do not exaggerate. That's how it feels, because it's just right there on the front of your chest and it sticks out so much. Granted, you can carry more potentially than a slimmer profile like this, but for me, I just want to carry my essentials in this anyway, so I don't need something that's super bulky. So I really love how this one hugs to your body profile better than I would say any other designer bag in terms of belt bags that I've tried on so far. So this is going to be just a quick unboxing, of course, but I wanted to show you guys real quick in general for size reference what will fit inside. I will test out this bag a lot more, obviously, in the near future, and then I will do a follow-up formal review once I've had a chance to check out this bag and see how it really performs for my lifestyle. And in that review, I will share with you dimensions, wear and tear, and also exactly what will fit in this bag. But for the purposes of this video, I thought I would just show you guys, just for size references, what looks like it'll fit. So this is my current phone. It's my iPhone 13 Pro Max, so a large version. And this will fit comfortably inside. I mean, there's no question. And really these days, I need to carry a phone with me in my bag no matter what. I will do some videos on some really poor purchases I've made recently with micro bags, and those don't fit my phone. And although I love the look, they're super cute, I kind of got on that micro bag bandwagon for a bit. They don't hold my phone, so honestly, it is not practical for me to carry a bag that does not hold my phone. So for me, at least, it needs to do that. And this comfortably does. If you can see it in there, it's so much room to play around with, and the phone easily fits in there. And this is a pretty large phone. So that's just an example for size reference, what will fit comfortably. So I'm gonna leave that phone in there because I'm gonna be carrying this bag today and test it out for you guys. Let you know what I think. But so far, amazing first impression. I had a great experience dealing with Farfetch. This item got shipped to me basically as soon as I ordered it, and it arrived to my doorstep within 2 days, which is awesome. It was free shipping, and of course I got a discount as well, as I always do on Farfetch. Definitely stay tuned, because again, I will test this out a lot, I have no doubt, and then share with you a really detailed review and wear and tear once I've had a chance to really check this bag out on a day-to-day basis. Alright guys, so that does it for this quick unboxing of my new Saint Laurent belt bag. I hope you enjoyed seeing my new purchase and hearing a little bit about my thoughts on it. If you own this bag, comment below. Let me know, do you like it? What works for you? What doesn't work for you? I really love interacting with y'all regarding these beautiful items that I love adding to my collection. I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy in 2023, and I will look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!